Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Famata and we are a beginner juicer. So this is my recipe I have today. I have my oranges. I have 4 oranges in here. I have grapefruit. I have 2 grapefruit here. I have lime. I have ginger. Then I have the watermelon. That's what we're going to juice today. Then I have my jars right here prepared for to store my juice in there. And today I'll be using the Colonial juicer. I have a lot of watermelon to go in here. Alright guys, this is the second part of the juicing process. Now we're about to jar it. So I have a lot of juice. Picture of juice. What just did. Alright. Colors are so beautiful. Okay, a little bit more in here. As you can see, we are done with the juicing. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it and see how well it tastes. Pretty good. Thank you for joining us. But before we go, I want to share the scripture with you that you will live wisely. The scripture is in Psalm 90 verse 12. It said, so teach us to number our days, that we may get a heart of wisdom. When we learn to live wisely, we live well as children of God. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you will enjoy your juicing journey as we are enjoying ours.